Hello, welcome to Food Basket. Today we are going to prepare chicken fried rice. In restaurants, the most ordered rice preparation is chicken fried rice and biryani. It is possible to make chicken fried rice at home itself. Let us see how to prepare chicken fried rice. Here I have taken 2 large onion, 250 grams of carrot, 200 grams of French beans, 1 inch piece of ginger, 6 cloves of garlic and 1 green chili. I have also taken 1 cup of basmati rice. This I have soaked for 2 hours, washed it and drained it. I have finely chopped the onion, ginger, garlic, green chili, carrot and beans. Then I have taken 3 eggs. I have boiled the rice in a little water. When the rice is half cooked, I have drained it and spread it in a plate. Then I have taken 500 grams of chicken, 2-inch piece of ginger, 7 small cloves of garlic and 1 green chili. Let us grind the ginger, garlic and green chili in a mixie. Let us add it to the chicken. Let us add salt. Let us mix it well and keep it aside for 30 minutes. Let us cook the marinated chicken in a cooker. There is no need to add water. Chicken will leave water. After the first whistle, let us turn off the gas. We are going to use only 200 grams of this chicken for the fried rice. Let us shred it into small pieces. I have cooked extra chicken for preparing cutlets separately. Let us heat a pan. Let us add 2 tablespoons oil. Let us add the shredded chicken pieces. Let us add a pinch of red chili powder, quarter teaspoon pepper powder, a pinch of turmeric powder and salt. The chicken is well fried. Let us move it into a plate. To the same pan, let us add 1 tablespoon oil. Let us add the chopped ginger, garlic and green chili. The ginger and garlic are well sauteed. Let us add the onion. The onion is well sauteed. Let us add the chopped beans and carrot. Let us sort it on a high flame. Let us add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. Let us add salt. Let us add half teaspoon pepper powder. Let us reduce the flame. Let us cover and cook for 2 minutes. Let us add a pinch of turmeric powder, a pinch of pepper powder and salt to the eggs and beat them. Let us increase the flame. Let us fry the beans and carrot well. The vegetables should not get overcooked. These are half cooked now. They are crunchy. Let us pour in the beaten eggs. The eggs are a little set. Let us turn it from the sides. Let us cook the eggs well. The eggs are well fried now. Let us add the rice and chicken. Let us mix it well. The rice is well fried now. Let us turn off the gas. Let us cover and keep for 2 minutes. The chicken fried rice is now ready. Let us transfer it to the serving tray. Hope you like the chicken fried rice preparation. Definitely try it out. Send me your feedback. Thank you. Come again. Goodbye.